Welcome to our booth at Fensterbau Frontale 2018. Creating buildings and building elements that can be used conveniently is becoming ever more complex, whether for exhibition halls, clinics or airports. The solutions are intelligent door and window systems from GC. We combine safety systems and drive technology to create innovative, networked and modular solutions. Everything from a single source. For smart facades, made by GC. I am now going to show you our trade fair highlights. Whether in operating rooms or on intensive care and dialysis stations, the new GC PowerDrive hermetic sliding door system is the ideal solution for applications with increased requirements in terms of hygiene and airtightness. The complete system, consisting of door leaf, automatic drive and frame, is ideally suited for clean rooms, sterilization rooms and for use in the pharmaceutical and food industries. The automatic components can be integrated into the building management system via the IO420 interface module and the GC Cockpit building automation system. The door system can be controlled centrally via BugNet. Do you know this situation? The door in the staircase simply does not close reliably due to overpressure or underpressure, and you are not quite sure whether the door has fallen into the lock? With the new door closer GC TS5000 Soft Close, this is now a thing of the past. Thanks to its optimized closing process, the door is pulled into the lock securely, with constant force. In this way, doors close safely and gently, even in difficult surrounding conditions such as wind and suction. The soft close function is therefore the first choice in clinics and hotels, as well as in apartment buildings, for a quiet living atmosphere. A wide range of variants and great flexibility continue to characterize GC door closers. With the new wireless extension kit for all GC Hold Open systems, you can connect the ceiling-mounted detectors and manual trigger switch wirelessly to the lintel-mounted detector. It is not necessary to lay separate cables. This facilitates planning, especially in listed buildings, because the new solution can easily be retrofitted. GC has also customized solutions for your intelligent home in its portfolio. For example, the new version of the award-winning GC Active Stop Door Damper, which is fitted on the frame. It allows you to conveniently optimize even your own apartment doors, and it can easily be retrofitted. Your satisfaction takes top priority for GC. Our extensive product portfolio within the Orga Data software solution Logical offers you enormous time and cost advantages. The technical data of GC products can easily be included in calculation and planning. Another component of our comprehensive service competence. We look forward to developing new solutions for you. These will make your life and work increasingly safe and convenient.